Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. In the previous class, we had learned how to multiply a whole number by a decimal number. Students, find the product of 3 and 1.2. The product of 3 and 1.2 is 3.6. Today, we are going to learn how to multiply a decimal number by a decimal number. Let us see some examples. Example 1. Multiply 1.2 by 0.2. Let's multiply 1.2 by 0.2. First, remove the decimal point. Write as a whole number. That is 12 into 02. Here 02 can be read as 2. Now multiply 12 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now we get 24. Look at the first number. It has one decimal place after the decimal point. The second number also has one decimal place after the decimal point. So totally we have two decimal places. So the decimal point moves from the right to two decimal places. That is 0.24. Now we get the answer as 1.2 into 0.2 is equal to 0.24. Example 2. Multiply 1.03 by 8.2. Let's multiply 1.03 by 8.2. First, remove the decimal point. Write as a whole number. That is 103 into 82. Let's multiply 103 by 82. First multiply 103 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 zeros are 0. Then 2 1s are 2. Then multiply 103 by 8. 8 3s are 24. Write 4. Carry 2 over to the next place. Then multiply 8 zeros are 0. Add 2, we get 2. Then multiply 8 ones are 8. Let's add these numbers. Add 6 and 0, we get 6. Then add 0 and 4, we get 4. Then add 2 and 2, we get 4. Next write 8. Now we get the product as 8446. Students, look at the first number. It has two decimal places after the decimal point. The second number has one decimal place after the decimal point. So, totally we have three decimal places. So, the decimal point moves from the right to three decimal places. That is 8.446. We get the answer as 1.03 into 8.2 is equal to 8.446. Example 3. Put the decimal point in the correct place in the given product. 1.6 into 0.5 is equal to 80. Let's put the decimal point at the correct place. In this sum, look at the first number. It has one decimal place after the decimal point. The second number also has one decimal place after the decimal point. So totally we have two decimal places. So the decimal point moves from the right to two decimal places. That is 0.80. Now we get the answer as 1.6 into 0.5 is equal to 0.80. Example 4. The thickness of a mathematics book is 4.5 centimeter. What will be the total thickness of 5 such mathematics books? Students, What is the thickness of a mathematics book? The thickness of a mathematics book is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Here, a mathematics book denotes one mathematics book. We have to find the total thickness of 5 mathematics books. So, we should do the multiplication. Let's write. Thickness of one mathematics book is equal to 4.5 centimeter. We have to find thickness of 5 mathematics books. So, we should multiply 4.5 by 5. First, remove the decimal point, write as a whole number, that is 45 into 5. Now multiply 45 by 5. 5 5s are 25, write 5, carry 2 over to the next place. Then multiply 5 4s are 20 plus 2, we get 22. Now we get 225. Look at the first number, it has one decimal place after the decimal point. The second number has 0 decimal point. So totally we have 1 decimal places. So the decimal point moves from the right to 1 decimal place, that is 22.5 centimeter. Now we get the answer as thickness of 5 mathematics books is equal to 22.5 centimeter. Students, hope you have understood the topic. Do the given assignment. Thank you, students.